Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook grass-fed beef. Unlike its grain-fed counterpart, grass-fed beef is significantly leaner, meaning it has less fat marbling throughout. This leanness is a key factor to remember, as it directly impacts cooking times and methods. It also tends to have a more robust, earthy flavor profile. Understanding these fundamental differences is the first step to achieving perfectly cooked, tender, and delicious results every time you prepare it. Because of its leanness, grass-fed beef benefits from quicker cooking at lower temperatures. For steaks, a rapid sear on high heat, followed by finishing in a preheated oven, works wonderfully. For tougher cuts, consider slow cooking methods like braising, which tenderize the meat beautifully. Aim for an internal temperature of around 125 to 130 degrees Fahrenheit for a perfect medium rare, ensuring it remains juicy and flavorful. To ensure your grass-fed beef cooks evenly, always bring it to room temperature for about 30 minutes before placing it on the heat. A reliable meat thermometer is your best friend for accurately gauging doneness, preventing overcooking. After cooking, allow the beef to rest for 5 to 10 minutes. This crucial step lets the juices redistribute, resulting in a more tender and moist bite. For very lean cuts, a simple marinade can add extra moisture and flavor. Enhancing the natural flavor of grass-fed beef is simple and rewarding. Generously season your cut with coarse salt and freshly ground black pepper before cooking. Herbs such as fresh rosemary or thyme pair exceptionally well, complementing its distinct taste. Consider creating a quick pan sauce using the drippings for an extra layer of richness. Serve your perfectly cooked beef with a light side, like roasted vegetables or a crisp salad, to truly let its unique qualities shine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.